Hi friends, welcome to another live video on my channel. Please, if you can hear me, write on the comment section so I can know you can hear me clearly. The market is dumping today. I was surprised. I just checked the crypto markets and Bitcoin is dumping heavily. Bitcoin is dumping. Ethereum is dumping. Solana is right now around $83. Bitcoin is below $40. Like the whole market is bearish since the last 7 days. So that's why today I decided to bring the TA guru himself, Joe, so he can tell us on what to expect in the market in the coming days. So basically, in today's live video, the TA guru will be showing us Bitcoin charts. It will be telling us what to expect. I know some of you guys are worried. I know last week someone was asking me, will the markets dump? I know a lot of guys are worried. A lot of people are scared now. A lot of people is losing money. So that's why I just decided, okay, let's bring the chart guru himself. So he can't show us the charts. So even I myself am worried. That's why I called him. So let him show us the chart. Let's see what let's see what he has to show us, and so we can know what to expect. But guys, as always, I am always in the market. I don't sell. Like I am a long term you guys know, like I'm a believer in the crypto markets. I am always bullish. I am a long term on trader. I don't care about little dump in general. But like I told you guys before, sometimes it's good to have on some USDT so you can always buy when there is the dump. So Jake, what's up? What's going on? Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Oh,
hello.
cool. What's
Yeah,
up?
I'm,
What's
I'm
what's
right
good?
here. You make me blush when you say chat guru. I'm
Guy,
not
you
sure if
like
I'm.
whenever the market is dumping, I always call you. Like you the guru yourself. Like when Bitcoin was, I remember when Bitcoin was I think 18,000. You told me, guy, hey, this is the best time to buy in a long time. The market is super bullish. So and I bought then, and since then Bitcoin has been pumping. So now I know I'm worried a little. I know a lot of guys in my live video. A lot of my subscribers might be worried also. And I know you're always busy, but like we just want to know what's happening in the markets. We want to know if we have to be worried or like there is nothing to be worried about.
Okay, so is my screen live?
Okay, now
Hope
I
that's my
would
screen.
now you will be live. Yup, your screen is live now.
Okay, so what we're looking at right now is Bitcoin, and the chart has not been different from what we had. It's like over the last couple of um weeks and months. We have actually been looking at Bitcoin, expecting Bitcoin to break certain places, which it has done over and over again. That's followed, the regions that we specified, that we looked at, that's broken them, gone to the resistance. It has consolidated around those resistance, and now Bitcoin is making a move. So let's quickly look at Bitcoin from, let's just take an overview at Bitcoin currently right now for the past couple of days. What we're looking at here is on the 4 hours chart, and we see Bitcoin steadily coming down from its like local high. Bitcoin, of course, we all know this, for the last since January, Bitcoin traded up until, and 48K, and hits this local high here, and then since then it is almost as if the ETF has no positive impact on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been carefully been, gliding down, and guys are worried, gliding down and gliding down. But one thing to know here to start with is that Bitcoin has been trading. This is more like a consolidating market. Bitcoin has been trading within this region. You see a little breakout out of this region, out of this 44K, and between this 44K 41K region that's been trading within this place. So we can just call it a slightly radical consolidation. But right now we see Bitcoin coming down, and everybody's almost like, "But it is a bull market. It is a bull market. Why? Why is Bitcoin? No, why is Bitcoin going down and going down?" But here is what it is. Okay, so now we're currently on. We're trading right now as we speak. Bitcoin is on 39K plus 39K 9.
Yeah.
And if we zoom out a bit, let's see what Bitcoin is doing, because the best way to analyze the present is to see like where Bitcoin has gone in history, right? Is to
Wait,
see where.
Joe, I'm sorry to like disturb you. Like before you go to like historical chart, can you
Yeah.
just tell us like how low you are expecting, like worst case scenario, how low can Bitcoin fall? Like from this your chart, I can see a bullish trend line. So from your chart, I'm still saying that the market is bullish. So I just want to know like how low do you think Bitcoin can go? Worst case scenario.
Right now,
Yes.
the next bus stop, if we call it that way, the next point where Bitcoin will go, and we expect Bitcoin to make a decision, because right now it has broken below the 42K trading mark. So the
Yeah.
next point we're expecting Bitcoin to go in the worst case scenario is 37. So this is where
Um
Bitcoin.
Yeah, and that 37, is that on your red
Yes,
line?
the red
Yeah.
dotted line on the
Oh,
screen.
the dotted lines. Okay.
Yeah. So this red
So
dotted line here is 37. And
okay.
why is that? We see Bitcoin has tested this point as, in multiple cases as resistance. And it also confirms this because Bitcoin has been trading within this trend line, within this
Yeah.
red and blue trend line for
Yeah.
the longest time. It has been trading all this place coming. And then it broke out of this region. So um it is just natural that Bitcoin comes back to test this trend line before going even further. But and this trend line interestingly coincides also with the previous highs that Bitcoin have had. So it tested
Yeah.
this region multiple times. I mean, I'm talking about the 37,800 region. So it tested that line multiple times here, and then it broke above. So right now it's coming back, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually hit that point again. Worst case scenario, hit that point before going back.
Going up.
But
So as long
yeah,
as we're still on that trend line, the market is still bullish. As
the
long
market
as we
is still
stay
bullish.
above
Yes.
37,000, we are
As
still
long as
bullish.
exactly, as long as we are still above 37K, we are still bullish. There is really nothing happening. But again, this chart is very normal, because what we know in history is that Bitcoin always does like a significant dip before just before the halving. So it does
Yeah,
a
that's right.
significant dip, and that dip really introduces the bullish market. It does that every time. But
The recycle, yeah.
let's yeah. So actually, I've been expecting that dip, and I think we spoke about that in one of our previous lives. We spoke about that Bitcoin is going, but we expect a significant retracement, which is what is happening now. So it is by no way a sudden action. The truth is, most people think, ETF is going to do something, this is going to do something, but the market keeps on telling us that, look, history prevails, right? So if it has done this over and over again in the past, we expect a similar kind of movement right now. So um I've been holding Bitcoin, but not casting in all my lots, because I'm expecting that dip will actually solidify the fact that, okay, look, we have we have done the worst possible, which is to go this deep. That I believe this current retracement is that deep we're looking for. Usually it's around, it gets to even as high as 30%. But the good part is, in the long run, once we hit the bull market and really hit the bull market proper, we exceed this previous high always. This has been the same pattern for the last two bull runs. So right now, where we are, I'm expecting Bitcoin to go deep, perhaps even as deep as 37K, goes as deep as 37K, comes back, and then breaks this current high. So if that is your target for the market, if that is your target, that Bitcoin is really going to go high, then even buying here is a good entry point. And why do I think even buying here is a good entry point? So currently, Bitcoin is on 39K, let's say more or less 40K. And but what we see here is that what we see here, Bitcoin is trading on this green line, the tiny green line. I wonder if this is very visible, but let me go into the daily time frame so that this is clearer. Okay, so here is Bitcoin. So we're now in the daily time frame. Of course, I have to remind you that every candlestick represents one day of one trading day. So right now we see this dotted line here. This is Bitcoin on 40K. And what we see here, interestingly, is that Bitcoin has tested this region in the past. So it is not new. It is not a new occurrence that Bitcoin is going high as 48K, 51K, and then coming back to test this place before going even high. We saw this before Bitcoin went to the previous all-time high of 69K. We saw that Bitcoin moved up to the 50K region, 50K, 51K, 53K. It went as high as 53K and came back to test exactly where Bitcoin is testing right now, right? So it tested this point and then went on to make the all-time high in the last bull market, right? So and we've seen Bitcoin like test this region again multiple times before breaking it to the lower side. If we go back in time, we also see that Bitcoin has tested this current trading price, which is 40K right now. This current trading price, Bitcoin has tested this as a resistance. So it couldn't break this point. It tested it, went low, and back there was the trading below 40K, and then it went back to 30K and then broke that region. So over and over again, we've seen the market test this region multiple times. So indeed, where we are right now is a significant point, right? So where we are right now, I'm expecting Bitcoin to show us a move. So if we look at Bitcoin right now, we're on daily. If we zoom um into like maybe the 1 hour time frame, we might see a little consolidation, okay, which is what is trying to happen here. So we see that Bitcoin is trading right now. This is the 1 hour time frame. Every candlestick is a time is an hour. So we see that Bitcoin is actually has gone so deep, but it couldn't go lower. And now there is a bull pool here that is trying to push the market back, but we don't know what is going to happen. So we let it play out. But one thing is certain, which is which is that irrespective of where Bitcoin goes, right, it's coming to test this region. Now, this region is an even stronger, becomes an even stronger support. That is the region we spoke about, the 37 K region, this 37K region. So that is an even stronger point. So if we break below 37, there is a strong likelihood that we might be going. We will expect the market to give us a new signal and a new indication as to what direction the market is going to, right? But what we know is that this 37K region is strong enough to push the market back up, and so we expect the market to go and touch 37K. If we look here, it touched this 37K. We're talking about this dotted line, these dashed lines. That's like this 37.6 region. It touched here, it went back, and it has done that multiple times. So it does that multiple times, touching this region as well before breaking lower. So, and that makes sense because again, that's on this trend line. So we expect Bitcoin to come to this trend line, which is the 7K region, and touch that before going up. One thing is certain: we're approaching Bitcoin halving, which is going to really be a booster towards the next bull run. And so it is imperative that there has to be a turning point where Bitcoin stops and then continues in its upward movement. So in the coming days, I will expect to see Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes as low as 37K, I'm doubling in on my stance in Bitcoin. And yeah, if you're already in the market, you're holding Bitcoin, particularly you're holding Bitcoin or ETH, I believe there is no significant reason to be too worried because usually market does like a false breakout. It does like a false breakout, and so the market is going back up soonest. But if it breaks below 37K, then we might be looking at, taking a short or expecting the markets to, trade within this the previous trend region. But yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. And to a very large extent, I'm still very bullish on Bitcoin because all that is happening now is totally anticipated. It's an anticipated, retracement in Bitcoin.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you very much, Joe. So, guys, you can hear this from the TA guru himself. You have nothing to be worried about. This is a normal like a normal scenario. It's always happened before on the Bitcoin halving. And if you check on previous bull markets, like the 2021 bull market, Bitcoin dumped during on COVID from like 11,000 to around 3,000. So this is normal. And from 3,000, Bitcoin pumped to around 60,000. So this is normal in the year of the bull of Bitcoin halving. And as you can see, we are 88 days to Bitcoin halving. So for me, any correction you see in the Bitcoin price is just the time to start buying Bitcoin. Like a lot of altcoins has been dumping in the past few days. So I think guys that miss the pump throughout BTC we dropped to 33k before going up is a well,
No,
it is normal. Like whenever the market is dumping, a lot of bearish guys, the bears, they always come around and say, oh, Bitcoin is going to 17k, Bitcoin is going to 20k. Like Capo, they are always bearish. They're always bearish. Whenever we see a lead to correction, they are always bearish. Guys, for me, I am always bullish. Like I am bullish during the bull market. There is no reason to be bearish. We are 88 days to Bitcoin halving. And if you check historical data, after the Bitcoin halving, we always experience the biggest pump in history. You can check all the years of Bitcoin halving, 20, I think 2016, 2020. After those Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin saw a significant rise. So I am bullish in the market. You might be right. We might see Bitcoin on dump to 33k, but the TA Guru himself has just told us now is expecting Bitcoin not to dump on below 37k, if I'm not mistaken. But
yes,
I think once the 37k breaks, then we might be worried. But in general, like guys, okay, even if we dump to 33k before 88 days, all you need to do is just hold after this 88 days, and we're going to see Bitcoin pump above the current price, even above 40k within 88 days or after 88 days. So there is nothing to be worried about. Guys, you don't have to be worried. It is normal. There's always a correction in the Bitcoin price. And for me, this is the time to start buying a lot of altcoins very cheap. Interlay has been dumping a little. Interlay has been dumping a little. I think it got to around 6 cents in the past few days. Gaming also has been dumping. The market cap of gaming is around 17 million. So guys, this is the time to start buying. Guys, this is time to start buying altcoins. Like the market is retracing, and you are getting like the biggest opportunity in this year to just start buying a lot of altcoins on very cheap. Say also is dumping. Say has dumped around 10% in the last 24 hours. Market cap of Say is around 1.4 billion. Sailor also is dumping. I think in general, the whole crypto market is dumping. We are seeing like every coins has been dumping in the last 24 hours. So this is, like I said, this is an opportunity to start buying a lot of altcoins very, very cheap. You don't need to be bearish at this point. We might see more dump as the prophet in the comment section is saying we might dump to 33k. We might see more dump. I don't know. I'm not saying we're not going to see a dump. Anish, no, well, Anish, I don't know. Like, I don't think Bitcoin is going to go to 35k, but and this is crypto. Like everything is possible. But for me, I am a long-term holder. I don't care about lead to crash. Okay, let me just show you guys something. Let me show you something. Uh all Bitcoin halving, all BTC halving dates and BTC price. Like I don't think you need to be worried about the first Bitcoin halving was 12. Okay.
Somebody said BTC to 35K. Now the thing is that it is possible that BTC gets to 35K, but before it gets to 35K, there is an important point where it needs to get to, which is that 37K, 38K region, which is where we're expecting. So if Bitcoin gets there, there is also another, another major point where it's going to get to 35K is also a significant point that Bitcoin has done in the past. But then
Okay,
35K,
Jay, should I put on your
where
chat so you can show them from the chat?
yeah,
Yeah,
you can put that.
okay.
So 35K, 35, this is 35K. Let's take a quick look at that. So this is 35K, for instance. 35K is a significant point. Yes, Bitcoin has done, it has come to this 35K region as support indeed, multiple times. So it is possible that Bitcoin gets to 35K. But when you think about it, 35K, 37K, whatever Bitcoin comes to in this region is still, the point is, in the end, Bitcoin is going to come here as a pullback and then jump even higher. So unless you're looking at leveraging the movement of Bitcoin to buy altcoin, yes, then you might want to wait for Bitcoin to come between 37 and 35, which is not likely, but 37K is most probable. So if Bitcoin comes to 37K, you can look at exploring other altcoin. Even right now, a lot of them are very fertile. But if you're largely trading Bitcoin, I mean 37K, 35K, you could jump in anytime, because what is inevitable is that Bitcoin is going to break 48K to the upside. We're looking at Bitcoin doing somewhere around 3 to 4 x of where it is right now. So yeah, 38K, yeah, very likely. 33K, let's see 33K. Why will Bitcoin go to 33K? If Bitcoin goes to 33K, if Bitcoin, that would be doomsday. Let's say doomsday, because because this is 33K here. If Bitcoin comes to 33K, well, again, nothing is impossible in crypto, but what is most probable is what we go with, what we expect, and that is what we are trading with, which is like this 37K region. Again, you can decide to wait out Bitcoin to 21. According, even most people have said 21. So yeah, it is. Yeah, I mean, some people still wait. Some a friend of mine told me, "Look, I'm not getting to that shit of a crypto space until Bitcoin comes back to 21." Well, good luck. You know, good
Well, they'll,
luck.
they'll keep waiting. Like I remember when Bitcoin was around 15,000, a lot of people are saying Bitcoin is going to 13K. Even Capo, he is very popular on Twitter. Like a lot of it's even going to CNBC. Like a lot of big news station have been talking about Capo. It was bearish at 15,000. So like for me, if you're expecting Bitcoin to go to 13,000 and Bitcoin is 15,000, it's just 2%. Like, and I don't understand, like just $2,000 different. Why are you waiting for that? Like Bitcoin is around 39,000. I'm not saying it could go to 35,000 before the Bitcoin halving. It could go to 36,000 before the Bitcoin halving. But if you have been in the crypto markets for a very long time, you know that few months after Bitcoin halving, like the market is super bullish. So buying Bitcoin at 39K or buying Bitcoin at 35K, like what's the difference? Like when you know that in the next 15 months, Bitcoin could get to 100,000. Most altcoin could do 8 times 10, 8 times 100. Like altcoins like gaming could do 8 times 100 from the current price. So I don't understand. Like if you are bullish in of the crypto markets in general, I for me like a 10% crash is nothing. Bitcoin has been pumping since October. A lot of coin has done. Even gaming that I have been talking about has done 8 times 10. A lot of coin has done 8 times 10. Bitcoin has done more than 8 times 2. Even at this current price, Bitcoin is 8 times 2 since 2020's low, or even since 2023. Like last year, yeah, January last year, Bitcoin was around 20,000, and now it is around 40,000. So what's different? Like in 15 months in time from here, we would see Bitcoin above 100,000. So I don't care if Bitcoin goes to 35, if Bitcoin goes to 33. Like I am holding. Guys, let me show you something. Let me show you something like what a lot of guys don't know. Jay, can I remove the
Yeah,
chat?
sure. By all
All
means.
right, thanks, man. Let's see. Okay, go to historical data. Let's check the last Bitcoin when was the last Bitcoin halving? Okay, yeah. The last Bitcoin halving was May 11, 2020. Check the price of Bitcoin May 11. Let's even check it like 1 month before May 11. Let's say April 7. Price of Bitcoin April 7, 5,000. 5,000. Bitcoin was 5,000 April 7. So let's check the price of Bitcoin April 7. Let's check 1 year after April 7. And the last Bitcoin halving was May 11. 1 month before the halving, Bitcoin was what? $5,000. Let's check the price of Bitcoin 6 months after Bitcoin halving. One, two, three, four, five, six. Let's say November 24. Bitcoin was what? Okay, 7,000. Let's check 2 more months extra. January. Oh, this is okay. No, 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 no. My bad. Okay, this is me. I was checking 2019. So May 11. So 1 month before 11, 5 April. Bitcoin was 6,000 on May 11, 2020. And the Bitcoin halving was what? May 11. 1 month before May 11, Bitcoin was what? Around 6,000. So let's check
Yeah.
7 months after Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving was May 11, 2020. 7 months. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. December 27. What's the price of Bitcoin? 26,000. 8 times 4 after the Bitcoin halving. Let's check January, February. Let's check like a year after Bitcoin halving. Let's check March 28th, just a year after Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin was what? 55,000. So I don't understand why people are always bearish during like few months before Bitcoin halving. Guys, you can see it here. Like 1 month before Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin was what? 5,000. 1 year after Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin was what? 55,000. 8 times 100. So I don't sorry guys. I don't know. 8 times 10. Like I don't understand why people are always bearish few months before Bitcoin halving. Like the Bitcoin halving year is a bullish year. Bullish is bullish. This year is a bullish year. After the Bitcoin halving, the market will be bullish in general. In fact, the market has been bullish since January last year. So this is little retrace. Bitcoin is around 40,000. Bitcoin was 20,000 12 months ago. So little retrace does not mean anything. Let's go again. Let's go one Bitcoin halving let's go to 2020 Bitcoin, oh no 2016 Bitcoin halving. The that was like July 9, 2016. So let's go to 2016. Check the chart. Like if you're on the crypto markets, like we have the charts, everything is available to everyone. All you need to do is just look and you will see it. Like the Bible say, look and you shall find, or knock you shall seek. Bro, everything is there. Joe, you're laughing. I know I'm not quoting the Bible way, but like everything is there, guys. You can see this. So I don't understand why people are bearish just because of 5,000 different. I don't understand. Like the market will be bullish in general this year. Let's go to 2016. Go back to 2016. When was the Bitcoin halving of 2016? July 9. Okay, so let's go to Bitcoin price at 1 month before July 9. Let's say June 5. What's the price of Bitcoin June 5? $500. So let's go to um 7 months after Bitcoin halving. Let's say around March 2017. What's the price of Bitcoin? 1,002 times two already. Let's go a little bit on further. 15 months after Bitcoin halving. Let's say around December 3rd, Bitcoin is what? 11,000. That is what? 8 times 20. And I know around November or December, Bitcoin got to 20,000. That was what? Over almost, yes, 20,000. 1,000. Yeah. Okay. Times 20 or times 40. Bro, so why are you bearish because of little retrace? Like, I don't understand. Like, guys, if you are bearish, well, be bearish. You and the funny thing about people that are bearish, amen, Jesus. I know, like, the funny thing about people that are bearish is they would say Bitcoin is going to go to 35,000. Then once Bitcoin gets to 35,000, they won't buy. They would be expecting Bitcoin to go to 33,000. Then Bitcoin gets to 33,000, they won't buy. They would somehow find another support at 28,000. Let's even say worst case scenario, Bitcoin gets to 28,000. They won't buy. Then they will bring the 2020 chart and show you that the low of 2019, Bitcoin got to 3,000, and in 2020 Bitcoin also gets got to 3,000. So now they'll start telling you Bitcoin is going back to 15,000. Guys, you can't make money like that. Like I always say, no one knows when the markets will retrace, but Jay always tell me, like, time in the market is better than what's time in the market. If you are bullish, just buy and leave this thing. Don't care. Guys, even some meme coins I buy, I don't check them. Later, some of my private group, I see, they say, oh, this meme coin is pumping. I go and check the coin. The coin has done 8 times 10, 8 times 20, 8 times 40. Guys, this is crypto. Like, this year, or these bull markets will be one of the biggest bull markets in history. So I don't understand why people are bearish. Once you check the chart, once you go to historical data, once you check on previous Bitcoin halving, you just notice that, like, few months before the Bitcoin halving, the market might be bearish a little, but a month after the Bitcoin halving, we are having what? The biggest bull market in history. Ticom Tiban, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name bad, said BTC will drop to 33K before going up. Is it prophetic? What? I don't know. Anish, my man, what's up? Anish said BTC to 35K. Anish, I don't know, but like, for me, 37K, 35K, 30K, they are all the same. I am a long-term holder. I think before the end of this year, Bitcoin would be trading around 50,000, and before the end of next year, Bitcoin would be trading above 70,000 and might even get above 100,000. So I don't care if Bitcoin dumps to 33K, 35K. I don't care. Like, I don't check. I don't really check my portfolio. If you have been in my life, like, if you're always on my life, sometimes people tell me, oh, some coin has done 8 times 10 before I just go to check my portfolio. Like, I don't care. Like, I am super bullish. Like, I am bullish throughout this year and next year. After next year, I start emptying my wallet. I start selling all my coins. Jay, you remember the last bull market, 2021, we bought on Buffer. I told you I started taking profits, and you saw it, like, market start crashing. Like, I don't care when, once it's a year after the Bitcoin halving, I start taking profit. I don't care if Bitcoin, I might sell Bitcoin at 100K and Bitcoin gets to 150K. I don't care. Once I think the market might start turning bearish, I take profit. I don't care if the market does 8 times 2. Guys, you remember I talked about this coin Sailor. Once Sailor was 10 cents, I told you guys I sold my Sailor, and Sailor got towards around 15 cents, and I was saying, oh, I'm not happy I sold few days ago, and now it is in 15 cents. But right now, what? Sailor is at 6 cents. Like, that's it. Like, once the market is bullish, I hold. Once it's bearish, or once I start thinking soon the market might be bearish, then I start take profit. And I know I would never sell the top. I don't care. I don't care to sell Bitcoin at the highest price. No, I sell when I think market condition has changed. And same thing, I don't care to buy the bottom. I bought some sale at I think what is the price of say? Let's say I bought extra say at 70 cents and now say is at 60 cents. I don't care. So like for me, when I think the market is bullish before the Bitcoin halving, I always buy coin. I have showed you guys Solana was $1 during the Bitcoin halving 2020. Kosuma was very low. BNB was very low. Guys, let's go. Let's check a lot of altcoins before Bitcoin halving. The last Bitcoin halving was. Jay, I'm sorry, I'm talking too much. I would give you the mic
No,
soon.
no, it's all right. It's all right because it's important that people understand like the dynamics of the market before, right before halving, which is usually an indicator of, the bullish run, and then what happens immediately after the halving. Because, what we have is that usually the halving is a pivotal point that just after the halving, then you can start looking at 6 months after the halving, and then you can start look considering which coin has matured enough for you to take profit. But just before the halving, that's like the best time to invest. So and like somebody rightly said, I think it was Warren Buffett, he said, the best time to really invest is when people are most skeptical, you see. So when the market seems like, look, this is most scary, that's the best time to jump into the market. So, and that's what we're saying, right? So as Bitcoin keeps on dipping, a friend of mine told me, look, if Bitcoin dips, he's buying more. If Bitcoin dips, he's buying more, so long as we are yet to get to the halving. So it's more about the psychology of investing, right? So it's more about the psychology of investing as well as understanding, the market trends and the position of the market right now. We're getting towards Bitcoin halving, and we know from historical standpoint that the halving is always a pivotal point that indicates that wherever the market is, we transcend from that point to a higher ground. So if that is the case, then it is imperative that you start looking at some altcoins that will give you some good gains, Bitcoin itself, Ethereum, and some other big players, and then you start buying those coins and then holding those coins because you want to hold them through the phase of this this bull market, and then sell them when it is ripe enough. So
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Good talk, man. Annie said end of the year, most altcoin will do times 10. Sure, man. I feel this way. Kaka, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name not right. He said, Amen, Jesus. Okay, guys, so let's go. Let's see. Jay.
Man.
Okay. Guys want to make money in crypto.
Guys,
Like, yeah, man. Jesus
it's
help us.
not a
Like
thing of
all
amen
coins
and
needs to
Jesus.
pump here. So let's see. Last Bitcoin halving was May 11, 2020. So let's go to historical charts. Again, guys, I love historical charts. May 11. So let's check 1 month before on the Bitcoin halving. 1 month, April 5. So let's leave Bitcoin
Wait.
price.
There's one thing I need to like clear out. Apparently it is almost as though what we're saying is an indicator that people should, sell their belongings, sell their assets and everything to cast their lots into Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, we are staking a lot on Bitcoin, and we believe that Bitcoin has a strong, chance of making it to the upside. Yes, that's been said. You still have to exercise some form of financial, prioritization, if I should put it this way, meaning that you don't trade with Jesus and amen. You trade responsibly, right? So for instance, I'll give you an honest opinion, an honest statement of how I manage my portfolio, which is at any point in time I always stake in. I don't stake in more than half of my whole entire portfolio on any trade. So you always want to go in with what you can afford to lose, because at any point in time, whatever whatever the likelihood it is that Bitcoin is going to do times whatever X, there is still a strong chance that Bitcoin dumps. So you have to understand this, and then you trade, responsibly. You want to trade at more. Personally, I trade like half my whole portfolio. So if I have X amount of money, I want to put in half into crypto and then see crypto. If it is if there's a likelihood that crypto does, has a strong likelihood of doing a significant pump, well, that's fine. I jump into the market, I trade as, with exactly half my portfolio. And if Bitcoin dumps all the more, you still have some leverage to probably jump into the market, given, in the light of better information. But it's unethical to really cast in all your lot and then bank on prayer. I am not saying that prayer doesn't work, but there is need for, financial literacy, financial, responsibility. You have to, like, just you have to give yourself some buffer, some cushioning, in case things goes south. Because what we're saying is just with probability, that there's a strong probability Bitcoin hits that a certain amount and then pumps. But even when it seems so certain, it is not entirely certain. So yeah, guys, exercise some, financial, buffer, some
Yeah, true, man. True,
financial
man. Yeah,
discipline.
yeah, true, man. Yeah, and thanks, Jay. And secondly, guys, I don't do leverage. Don't trade with leverage. I hate leverage. Don't ever trade with leverage unless you have experience. Even if you have experience, I still feel you would lose all your money. I don't trade with leverage. I never trade with leverage. So so let's look at it now. Still a month before the last Bitcoin halving, let's leave Bitcoin. What Ethereum was, what, hundreds of dollars. That was a month before the Bitcoin halving, which was May 11, 2020. So let's check a year after Bitcoin halving. Let's see, 15 months after Bitcoin halving, December 5th, what was the price of Ethereum? 4,000. Almost what? 8 times 40. 15 months after Bitcoin halving. Leave Ethereum. Let's check. What's the next coin? SRP. SRP was what? 17 cents. What's the price of SRP after Bitcoin halving? 80 cents. Why? SRP did what? Almost 8 times 5, because SRP had a lot of issues with SEC. SEC was saying SRP was a security, a lot of issues. Even SRP did not break its all-time high from 2017 at, I think, around $5. That was the only issue with XRP. Moving on, what's next project? Let's see. Binance Coin was what? $13. Where's BNB? Yeah? BNB what? $557. That's what? Let's say
That's
$10 to
Yeah, that's a significant leap. That's over
almost
times almost. Yeah, I
almost
mean,
times 50. Guys, and the funny thing is, if you go back to those places, like now we are not even saying the full chart. Like if you go back to like this 20, what's this date? April 2020. And if you are checking coins like BNB, I'm very sure BNB was $13. I am very sure BNB might have dumped to like $9 and $10, and a lot of people would have sold at $9 and $10. And what? 15 months later, coins they sold at $9 got to what? $557. Guys, that is it. Even the funny thing is, like coins like Solana was not even there. Like it's difficult for you to find Solana. Solana was not among on top 100 coins. Definitely. Let's see. Doge was what? 0.0018. What was the price of Doge? Doge got to hmm, times 100, 0.17 times what? Times fucking 100. Guys, this is just few months of Bitcoin halving. I don't see any reason why you should be bearish. But like Jay said, guys, this is your money. Like do whatever you like with it and trade with caution. Market is very risky. We might see Bitcoin dump to 28,000, and you might have 20,000 in the market, and your 20,000 turns to what, $10,000 in the next 1 to 2 months. So trade with caution, trade with what you can afford to lose, trade with funds you don't need for the next 2 years. Basically, that's what I do. Most of the funds I trade with I don't need them for the next 2 years. So trade it what you don't need for the next 2 years. Then you won't be worried if the market's dump. Jay, you're playing the music and it is disturbing. Yeah, I'm sorry. Jay, okay, I will disconnect you. You can
No.
just mute your days if you want to listen to something. I'm sorry. So, guys, basically, that's it. That's it. I have showed you guys what I want to show you. Like for me, I am still bullish in the market, and always trade with caution. We might see Bitcoin dump more in the coming days. So this being said, the coins I'm buying during this crash, guys, you know I am super bullish on altcoins. So whenever I see a dump, that is the time for me to start buying my favorite altcoins. And I have been talking about Interlay, which is bringing DeFi into on the Bitcoin market. I was talking about Interlay, I think around 2 cents, and right now Interlay has gotten to around 5 cents. So and I think it got to around 6 cents. Yeah, it got to around above 6 cents. So if you miss this pump from my previous video, you can actually start buying Interlay right now. For some reason, Interlay is not dumping very much. I was expecting this to dump at below 4 cents, but Interlay is not dumping. A lot of holders are still holding their Interlay. So Interlay is basically bringing DeFi into the Bitcoin ecosystem, and right now Interlay is the only lending and borrowing platform on Bitcoin. So I think this is huge. Like I always say, if you compare Interlay to lending protocol on Ethereum and other layer one, you would notice that Interlay is very, very cheap. Bitcoin is the biggest cryptocurrency in the world, and the only lending protocol on Bitcoin has a market cap of just 8 million. So I am buying Interlay constantly, and recently is this Interlay, yeah, Bitcoin DeFi, TVL on Interlay has been growing. It has grown around 500% in the last 5 days. So a lot of people are seeing how bullish Interlay is. TVL is growing. It is the only Bitcoin DeFi protocol. They got a lot of big brands backing them. Market cap is low. They have been building around the end of the last bull market. So for me, I think this can easily do it times 100 from this price. Well, nothing is certain in crypto, but definitely it should do it times 10 from this price. So that's why I am buying Interlay, and I am still holding my Interlay. I am not worried about this dump. If we see more dump, like I am hoping Interlay dumps to maybe 3 or 4 cents, then I would buy more Interlay. I am bullish on the Bitcoin ecosystem in general. Like you guys know, I am super bullish on AI projects, layer one and layer two. Also, the Bitcoin ecosystem. And the funny thing is that the Bitcoin ecosystem has been the biggest gainer in the last 2 months. So I am super bullish on the Bitcoin ecosystem. I think as the bull market goes on, most projects building on Bitcoin ecosystem would do what very, very well. So that's why I'm bullish on the Bitcoin ecosystem, and that's why I am bullish on Interlay, which is the only lending and borrowing platform on Bitcoin. The market cap is super low. It is just around 8 million. Let's see, let me show you guys something I always show my subscribers is if you check lending and borrowing platform on Bitcoin, on the old lending and borrowing platform, you would see Marker is a lending on protocol on Ethereum. Market cap is what 1.8 billion. Aave 1.3 billion. All these are lending protocol on Ethereum. Even Radiant Capital is a lending and a DeFi protocol on Arbitrum, which is a layer two, not even a layer one. But if you scroll down, even if you see QI is a lending protocol on Avas. Avast is almost a dead layer one. Well, not dead. I am bullish on Avast. Sold my Decentraland games for Interlay. Fingers crossed. Crypto cheek. Okay. Well, like I always say, I think in the bull markets, every crypto would do very well. I remember someone asked me about Atlas Navi because I have been talking about Atlas Navi for a very long time, and Atlas Navi was dumping constantly. And someone in my live video asked me, "What's my thought about Atlas Navi?" Let me show you guys. I will come back to Italy again. Gaming, okay, I don't care. I would. Oh, what the hell? 58%. Wait, what the fuck? Okay. Geez, gaming just dumped 58%. Jay, what's the price of Bitcoin now? Bitcoin is not dumping. Gaming dumped
Bitcoin is not
50%.
dumping. Bitcoin
Yeah,
is
gaming
actually,
dumped.
yeah.
Well, I think I need to just go and see what's happening. I might buy more gaming. Wow, this is the biggest crash I have seen today. 50% in the past. I need to buy
Actually,
some gaming.
Bitcoin
50%
is
just now.
yeah,
Yeah,
Bitcoin
it's
is
just rising.
gradually, yeah, it's
Gaming
gradually
is
rising.
dumping 58% in the last few hours. Like I don't know, people are not bullish on gaming. Let me say on gaming projects, not gaming, on gaming project. But for me, I think this is the right time to start buying on projects like gaming. 58%, just 1 cent, like super cheap. I would be buying on more after this live video.
Damn,
This
and
central line.
that's a sharp dip.
Yup. I just need to check as long as they are not hack and there is no major issue. If people are just selling because the market is dumping, then I might buy more. Okay, so this central land market cap 17. Okay, it's actually expensive. But what I'm trying to say is Atlas Navi. Listen, um Atlas Navi. Okay, Navi. Yep. Okay, so I remember I was talking about Atlas Navi constantly. So let's check on the price of Atlas Navi 3 months. So Atlas Navi dumped to around yeah, at around 3 cents, and someone on my live video asked me, "Are you still bullish on Atlas Navi?" I said I am still holding my Atlas Navi. The team has not been building very well. They are not on crypto native, but I was still holding my Atlas Navi. And Atlas Navi did what? Almost 8 times 10 from that price. And the main reason why I hold or why I held my Atlas Navi is I think during the bull market, every crypto would be bullish. So crypto chick or no, yeah, crypto chick. So thought on Moonwell. Okay, I would check Moonwell. I think Moonwell is built on Dot, Moonwell, and Moon River. Yeah. Okay, crypto chick. What I'm showing you about Atlas Navi is if the market is bullish in the next 15 months and gaming coins are also bullish, I think Decentraland also might do well. So, and it all depends on the team. If the Decentraland team are very good, they are building constantly, they are improving constantly, Decentraland might do very, very well. So sometimes I don't really take profit from one coin to buy another coin. I only take profit like if I buy a coin, the coin do on like a times 10, a times 20, a times 30, then I take profit to buy another coin or to buy Bitcoin or to just keep somewhere. Like I like to keep extra fund on some altcoins I am super bullish on. Altcoins like Byte, altcoins or Ethereum or Bitcoin or Solana or same network. Yeah, I rather hold same network than Bitcoin. So I hold these altcoins. Then whenever I need to buy a new coin like Interlay, I sell little of my sale, I sell little of my Solana, I sell little of my buys, then I buy those coins. So what I am basically trying to say is stop selling coins to buy another coin. If you think a coin is bullish, just hold. Like I'm holding throughout this year. It will be difficult for me to sell a coin this year. To be honest, it will be difficult for me to sell a coin this year. I am holding till next year. Then from next year, I would start taking profit. So I only sell meme coins or coins that pumped very well. But I
Yeah.
hardly say I want to sell my Atlas Navi to buy Interlay because I see Interlay doing well. No, the funny thing is like on project like Interlay might not do well for the next 3 months. Then gaming Decentraland would do 8 times 2. Then you'll be like, oh fuck, I sold Interlay to buy gaming or Decentraland, or I sold Decentraland to buy Interlay. Now Interlay has not pumped, Decentraland has pumped. Then you would sell your Interlay to buy Decentraland back. Then Decentraland won't pump again. Interlay will start pumping. Then you'll be like,
And then
Jesus
you're in a
fuck.
vicious cycle of
Yeah.
losing.
So
Yeah.
Crypto chick
So
Jesus, yeah. So that's it. Like and one of my I won't say crypto mentor, but he's a guy I look up to. He's a very good holder. Like he owed a lot of coins because at the time he bought a meme coin, and I told him this meme coin is a scam. He told me I don't care. Like if I buy a coin, it either goes to zero or it gives me 7 figures, gives me 6 figure. He always owed. So for me, I only use my profits to buy new coin or my big holdings like Solana, which they don't dump so much. Coins like Solana, say Ethereum. I am not holding Bitcoin. To be honest, I'm not holding any Bitcoin. I rather buy say Solana or other altcoins. Then once I want to sell or Metis, yeah, I hold Metis, but for some reason Metis has been dumping a lot. So I'm just trying to tell you, just better don't sell one altcoin to buy another altcoin. So let's see, not Atlas Navi. So let's go back to gaming. Gaming actually dumped 50% right now. That is a very big surprise. It's so funny. A 50% crash. So let's just see why is gaming dumping. Why is gaming dumping? Let's check that Twitter. I love crypto. Like if a narrative is not doing very well, people just start dumping. Like everyone wants to buy the new narrative. Crypto chick, Jesus, yeah. Kaka, what is crypto chick Jesus? Yeah. And crypto chick is like, okay. Crypto chick, I'm just telling you what I am doing personally. You can't do man, you always need to make your own research. I just say what I prefer to do, and I always invest very little. I don't invest more than 10% of my holding on any coins. I don't care. No matter how bullish the coin is, I don't invest more than 10%. That's why I always have extra funds to buy other token. And crypto is not it's like a marathon. It's not a sprint. You just need to keep on accumulating, and in the long term, you should be successful in the crypto market. The market is dumping, and to be honest, I am not worried. So let's see. Gaming this year. So I don't think there's any big issue with gaming. So I don't know why gaming is dumping. Let's see. Gaming. Check on Twitter if they were asked. Token Powers Gaming USDT. One wallet sold 12 ETH worth of gaming funded from Animoco deployer seller funds. So funded from Animoco deployer. So maybe Animoca brand is selling that gaming, and Animoca brand is the company in charge of gaming. So if they are selling that gaming, then that is a big food. Let's just see, very easy play. I double the bag on gaming. Gaming big crash. Gaming. Okay, let's see. Gaming rook pool. LOL. Haha. What's happened? Any statements? No statement. Actually, this is a big crash. So this guy is asking Kaduna what's happened to gaming. Gaming egg. It's confirmed. Very easy play. So there is no statement on why gaming is dumping now. I can't find anything on Twitter, and even gaming, they are not saying anything. So I might check on the Telegram group soon. But for some reason, sometimes ARK in crypto is actually bullish. To be honest, I would buy some gaming at this price. For now, I don't know the main reason why it is dumping, but fuck's sake, 7 million market cap for one of the most used crypto. The gaming token look kaput. Kaka, you're cracking me up today, man. Where you from, man? Cracker, yeah, it's look kaput. What is kaput? Jay, do you know what kaput is?
Kaput means like destroyed.
Destroy,
I
yeah.
think it means like man's
Man,
hilarious.
yeah, actually, gaming is one of my biggest holding. So 55% crash. That's mad. But to be honest, I think I would buy more gaming at this price. It is 7 million. But we still need to confirm if it was hack. I need to still know the main reason why I'm gaming is dumping. And if this guy is right, if Animacal brand is selling some gaming, then that is bearish because Animacal brand is the company in charge of gaming rug pull. So funny. What's up on any statement? Nah. I'm surprised, like 50% crash in 1 minute. That's so bad. So I think that's just true. And the Macau brand is selling some gaming. So and they are the team in charge of gaming. I think like the truth is gaming coins have not been doing well in the past few days. And the Macau brand is actually the biggest VC firm for gaming projects. Pangolin, Blue Wave, Intia, LOL. Uh, Animaca brand is actually the biggest firm for gaming projects. So the market has been pumping, but gaming coins have not been doing very well. So maybe this VC firm has not been making a lot in the past few months. So they just need funds and they are selling. That's why that's why it is not good to just be bullish on one narrative. Before I was only bullish on AI narrative. Then I added layer two, but layer two did not do very well for some reason. But most of my AI coins did very well. So they covered my loss at layer two. And now I started investing in Bitcoin ecosystem, gaming ecosystem, and it did very well last bull market. The only coins that did not do well were layer two. That's why it's always good to invest in different narratives. So if one narrative does not do well, the other narrative would do well and it would cover for you. So that being said, I still need to know what's happened with gaming, but like what I have noticed on most crypto projects is when there is a big crash, when there is an arc, when there are issues like this, that is the best time to start buying because in the next 6 to 7 months, you would be very happy buying this dump. Market cap of gaming is 7 million. Gaming is one of the biggest crypto gaming projects. They have more gameplay than most gaming projects. As you can see here, let's see. Let's go back to gaming Twitter. Gaming Twitter. Yep. I know there's an issue. I think soon there should be an announcement with gaming. So yep. So the year of gaming ready soon. Gaming will have what 10 billion gameplay. So I think that's huge. Like a lot of gameplay. A lot of people are playing games on that platform. Market cap is just 7 million. I think once the boat, like after Bitcoin halving, it will be easy for people to market this project because they have a lot of partnership. They have partners with companies like Man City Football Club. They have partners with Binance. They have partners with NASA. Sometimes they are not like real partnership. Well, anything is a partnership, even if you are just using anything with the complaint, it is a partnership. I live in the middle of Sweden and Finland. Gaming, Kaka, gaming to the moon. Middle of Sweden and Finland is I was watching a YouTube video and was it okay? I was watching one guy with WEF or with WEF. I won't talk about that in the live video. So okay, I don't care. Well, hi, my man. Okay, NASA Animoco brand. Well, I'm not saying I don't care about Sweden. I care about Sweden and Finland. I'm just saying I don't care about WEF, but I don't want to talk about WEF on my live video before you guys will see me in few days. So that's it. So, okay. So gaming has partnered with a lot of big brand. Let's see, they've partnered with Guinness Book of Record or Guinness World Records. Well, it might not be like a solid partnership per se, but partnership is partnership. They have partnered with NASA, partnered with Atari, they've partnered with Man City. Firm like Binance is invested in the project. Let's see, gaming. But guys, there is an issue right now, so I still need to do more research. I still need to know what the issue is because a 50% crash in few minutes, that's not a good thing. But like I said, ARK is bullish. Binance invested in them February 2 years ago. Initial capital invest 2018. They got a grant from Google Launchpad 2017. Initial capital also 2017, and Jan Rezap. I don't know who Jan Rezap is. He actually invested in 2015. And gaming has actually been building games before they added the gaming on token. So they have been building since. And Animoca brand actually bought gaming few years ago, I think around 2020, if I am not mistaken. So all I need to do more research to know why gaming is dumping. If it is not a major issue, then I would definitely buy some gaming at 7 million market cap. I would buy. I don't care even if it's a major issue. I would just buy some. I don't think gaming would go to zero this year. It might go to zero after 2 years, but I don't think it will go to zero this year. And if you are bullish on crypto gaming project, then for me, I think gaming has the potential to be one of the most bullish crypto gaming projects in this bull market. So right now, 7 million market cap, it times 100 from here also would still be around 700 or million market cap. Well, guys, okay, I won't show gaming a lot until I confirm why it is dumping. After I confirm why it is dumping, then I might just buy more because I think these can easily get to 1 to 2 billion valuation in the next 15 months. So 7 million easy times 100 times 200 possible. A lot of gaming projects got above 2 billion valuation in the last bull market. So gaming is one I would be looking at. And another gaming project I am super bullish on is Neo Tokyo. For some reason, Neo Tokyo, yo, what's up, Jay? Um, look, PZP Plays Up. Plays Up is a good project. Plays Up might do well. Guys, 1 minute. Uh, okay, Jay, do you want to tell us something before you leave the live video? Is there anything you want to show us on the chat before you leave
No, nothing much.
on the Bitcoin chat? So for you, like you don't expect Bitcoin to dump on below 37. Just show us
Certainly
your
not.
chart for 1 minute before you leave. I know you're a busy man. The TA Guru himself, just like what's the price of Bitcoin now before you leave?
Certainly not. Bitcoin is still, ranging around the period where we expect it to be, right? So it's still on 40K, which is very much within my comfortable zone, right? So e- and right now, what I'm expecting is that Bitcoin, if it dumps all the way to 37, this 37 region, 38, 37 region, I'm likely going to double in on my, my Bitcoin hold and any other, altcoin that I deem fit. And that's it. I'm not really looking at Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin goes even lower, I'm just going to wait for Bitcoin. Because there's one thing about crypto. If you're looking at going short, I might not going short, trading short might not be the best alternative right now because we're looking at a bullish market, right? So if you have any idea of going short, I would encourage, I would strictly go against it, because we're like going in a bullish direction. So if you're going short, you don't know when the market is going to retrace and come back. It doesn't matter how deep the market goes, the future of Bitcoin is up. So if wherever the market is right now is just a temporary thing, the market could even do as low as some people are expecting the market to go to 20K. It could go to 20K, but you don't know when it's going to come back. But what is certain is that it is coming back, right? Because the future of Bitcoin is up. So if that is also your vision, that you're looking at Bitcoin, that look, this is going up in the coming days, then the easiest part is, look, just trade this or trade whatever you want to trade that you think is going to be, heavily dependent on Bitcoin. Trade that and then go to sleep. Go to sleep, right? Because one thing is inevitable. Bitcoin is going to surpass the previous high in the coming, in the bull run, which is what we see. We know this because this has happened over and over again in history. So yeah, so for me, I'm still holding Bitcoin and some other altcoins that I'm holding. And if Bitcoin goes even lower, I'm doubling in on my Bitcoin, and that's it.
All right, thanks, man. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming to the live. I know we took over 1 hour of your time. Jay, I know you're busy, so I might talk to you later tonight
By
if
all
you're
means.
free, or maybe tomorrow. So thanks, man, for coming to the live. So let me just share my screen. Okay, so Jay, I would see you later. Go for your meeting, then we might talk later.
Sure, cheers. It was lovely sharing these insights with you guys, and
Yeah.
see you
Thanks, man.
guys in the
Thanks,
next
man.
one.
Yeah. All right. See
Yeah,
you, brother.
yeah.
Okay, yeah. So what am I saying? The next gaming coin I am looking at is Neo Tokyo. But for some reason, Neo Tokyo has not really dumped a lot in the last few days. Well, it has been dumping. It got to around $20 before, but now it is around $8.8. I would definitely be buying more Neo Tokyo because I think if crypto gaming projects do very well in these bull markets, then definitely Neo Tokyo would do very well. And the market cap of Neo Tokyo is still very low. Well, not very, very low, but it is low. It is below 30 million right now, if I am not mistaken. So let's say market cap of Neo Tokyo is around 26 million. I think this has a potential to do very, very well in the next 15 months because they have a class team. Like their teams are one of the biggest people in crypto. The gaming, I think we need to buy more. Well, definitely. Like I said, after this live, I would just try to confirm what's happening with gaming. Then I might buy more. It's not like might. I would definitely buy more on gaming soon. Like today, tomorrow, I would buy gaming. I just need to confirm. So, price very low. Market cap of Byte below on 26 million. Team member consists of Elliot Trade. Well, Elliot Trade and Alex Becker are just part of the team member. Alex Becker, he has what 1.4 million subscriber. Once the main bull market happen, once the our grandpas and grandma or professors or random people you see on the street, everyone starts buying crypto, they would be watching videos like videos from Alex Becker. Lots of love. Thanks, Becker. I would check on Plays Up for you soon. Okay, let me just check Plays Up. I think you might be going to sleep. Lot of love is like I'm saying goodbye. So let's check on PlaysUp before I continue with gaming. Well, for me, PlaysUp is a coin. I won't say I'm bullish on PlaysUp, but I have been looking at on PlaysUp for a very long time. But the only reason I did not buy on PlaysUp is because of it is on Binance on Smart Chain. I am not bullish on projects building on Binance on Smart Chain. I don't like investing in projects on Binance Smart Chain, but I think PlaysUp has well, they got funding from PlaysUp. Let's see. PlaysUp. Well, I always say PlaysUp is not a scam. That is all I can say. It is not a scam. They got funding from maybe KuCoin, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, they got funding from KuCoin. But KuCoin actually invested in a lot of projects that did not really do well. Well, they got funding from KuCoin, and a lot of influencers are actually bullish on PlaysUp. So I think once they after the Bitcoin halving and once crypto gaming projects start doing well, most of these influencers would be talking about PlaysUp. So PlaysUp should do well. Let me see. I've not done a lot of research about PlaysUp, and on their website there is nothing much to show. I'm not sure. Fun fixed gaming, immerse yourself in skill based, casual based, crafted to challenge and showcase your ability against other player. So I think it's a multiplayer game. So I think that's good. Most crypto games are not actually multiplayer. So if they are building a multiplayer game, then that's good. Let's see. Game. A multi-gaming app to play 15 plus skill-based game. So they have 15 plus game on their app, if I'm not mistaken. Well, they have some games. So well, the games looks like most crypto games are shit. So I won't say the games are shit. Well, they have more than 15 games, so that's not bad. They have games. If you're bullish on gaming projects, they have games. It is a gaming studio. I prefer to invest in gaming studio than a project that has one game. So PlaysUp is a gaming studio. So I think that is good. And they got funding from KuCoin, Prime Block Venture. So that is also good. And let's see that team. Okay, let me just search for PlaysUp team. PlaysUp team. Or can I say that on the website? Does they have any information about that team? White Paper Roadmap Partners team. Good. This is the co-founder and CEO Bushwani. This is their CEO. Let's see what he has been doing before. Well, it is like everything on PlaysUp looks not terrible, so it is not bad. They have teams, which is very good. It is not an anonymous project. They got funding from KuCoin and some other VC firm, so it is not a scam. And they have few games on the platform, which is okay for a gaming project. But I am not buying gaming. I am not buying on PlaysUp mobile game. So he's working at PlaysUp right now. It has been working in PlaysUp since 2023 till now, and he was also the founder and CEO of Pepper Play, which is Pepper Play is a game developer company focused on building competitive game platform and casual. Let's see how many Pepper Play. Let me see how big it is. So, well, if he has been building game before, then that is very good. Oh, I'm sorry, Crypto Chick. I would check Moonwell soon. I'm very sorry. I would check Moonwell soon. People play. Well, he has been building people play revisionist team. Play people. Well, I'm not saying people play game or gameplay. Well, okay. The CEO has been working in the gaming industry for a very long time, even if his previous game was not too big, but he has gaming experience, so that is a very good thing. He has been working in a gaming he has been working with games for a very long time, 2020 since 2018, and he was the co-founder. He has been he has been developing, or he has been a founder of different projects. I don't know why he has been abandoning the project or whatever. He was a co-founder of Cozy Game, and he was product manager for Miniclip since 2014. So he's actually hardworking. He has been building things. So I think that's not bad. Like for me, like Blazer looks good in general. Just I think that games are just regular game, but it is not bad. They have a team. That team is public, and I also like if a CEO of a project is on Twitter, because 90% of people on crypto are on Twitter. So well, like on my basic research, PlaysApp looks good, but I am not investing on PlaysApp. Market cap is 9 million. It is not very high. It is okay, so not too bad. If the team are very good, if they keep on pushing and marketing and building, then this should be able to do a times 10 from yeah. So let's see Moonwell. Moonwell. Okay, I think Moonwell is built on what? I always think on Dot or on Kosuma. I can't remember. Moonwell is a project since 2021. Yes, they launched during the end of the last bull market, if I am not mistaken. Yup, they launched 2022 Moonwell. Okay, so they launched at the bear market. And yup, Moonwell is built on Kosuma, if I'm not mistaken. Lending made simple. Put your digital assets, lend and borrow, and whatever. Lend and borrow. Powered by Moonbill, Base, and Moon River. Okay, it's built on Moon River, and Moon River is on Kosuma. Well, it is a lending and borrowing platform on Moonbeam now, on Base also, and on Moon River. So not too bad, but I want to check something on Base. DeFi Lemma. Well, Moon well has been building since 2021. I think I know the project before, so it's definitely not a scam. But you just need to check that community, see if that team is still very active, then you would know. Let me see Moonwell on base. Okay, so the TVL on base is 16 million, down base and Moonbill, and it is the seventh biggest DApp on. It is the seventh biggest DApp on base, which is good. It is not bad. Market cap is around 29 million. No, market cap is around 8 million, which is good again. Let me see something again. Lending protocol. Okay. It is the third biggest lending protocol on Base, which is not too good. I like to invest PYR. Anish, I would check that soon. I prefer to invest in project or protocol that are the first in different chains. So it is the seventh, or it is the third biggest lending protocol on Base. Not too good, but still not bad. I want to check on Moonbeam. Uh, let's see, Moonbeam, Moon, Moonbeam. Okay, Moonwell is the first biggest DApp on Moonbeam. So the issue here, if you are betting that Moonbill would do very well in this bull market, then definitely the first biggest protocol on Moonbeam should do well. Well, I don't see reason why Moonwell would not do a times 10 from here. I don't see any reason why it should not do a times 10 from here. It was built in the last bull market, and for it to get to its all-time high, it needs to do a times 10. So I don't see why I should not do at least a times 10 from here. It is not a scam. Let's see if they got funds in Moonwell funding rounds. They got funding. Okay. So the IEO was 2022. Private sale was well around 2022. Strategic sale to around 2022. But I think just random people invested in private sale and public sale. No big brands, but it is not a scam. So at least it can do a times 10, but I am not bullish on Moonbeam, and I am not really bullish on Dots and on consumer in general. As you can see, it is not among my bullish narrative, but it is a lending on protocol on Moonbeam and also on Base. Well, I am bullish on layer 2. So it is a lending protocol. So it might do very well lending. So it is a lending protocol on Base also. So don't forget that. And also on Moonbeam. So if you are bullish on Moonbeam, then um you should be bullish on Moonwell. I am not bullish on Moonbeam, so I won't really buy Moonwell. But like I said, it is not a scam. But you still need to go to the community, see if that team is also like if that team is still building. Let's see, as the new year is now full in swing, so at least they've been tweeting. They tweeted today, "Your 5 minute help improve movement government by taking." Okay, let's see. They've been tweeting. It is not a dead project. That is all I would say. They are still pushing. So, well, like I don't see anything negative about Moonwell. To be honest, the only thing is I am not bullish on Moonbeam, but there is nothing negative about Moonwell. So I think it is a good project. So that's it. PYR Vulcan Forge. I know this project. I have never bought Vulcan Forge. Okay, so the only reason why I won't invest in Vulcan Forge is the market cap is around 130 million. I think that's very high, and it is a old project from 2021. I don't invest in projects from 2021 unless it's launched, let's say December 2021, which is the end of the last bull market. But this was April during like during the peak or very good time in the last bull market. So I don't invest in projects from 2021, and I think the market cap is very, very high. And what exactly are they doing? And Gravity is live. Welcome forward. It is a gaming studio also. Welcome to. Well, I would say, okay, for me, I just don't invest in old projects, but Vulcan Forge is a very, very solid project. A lot of people are super bullish on Vulcan Forge, so I won't just write it off. It's an ultimate Web3 ecosystem known for Vulkan Studio, which I think is the gaming studio. It is a Web3 gaming studio, okay? Elysium is a carbon neutral layer one blockchain, and the Metascripts and upcoming metaverse. Okay, so Vulkan Forge as if from what I am saying here, they have okay, yeah, Vulkan Forge as a gaming studio, a layer one, and also they provide metaverse whatever service. Okay, so they have a gaming a layer one, and I am very bullish on layer one. So that is the only reason why I would do more research on Vulkan Forge is because I am bullish on layer one, but they are still on Ethereum. So that means their layer one is not yet live. Elysium blockchain, the future of Web3. Elysium is a carbon neutral, decentralized network dedicated to AI. Fucking shit, just buzzwords. Why are they bringing AI? This project was just a gaming studio before, but now they are bringing AI, metaverse, NFT, and other unpromising Web3 projects. Wait, okay, no, no. Is a carbon neutral, decentralized network. Okay. So let's just say a layer one dedicated for this. Okay. That is not on buzzwords. Let's see again. Start building power your way through project lighting fast transaction speed. So I think the layer one is live. Okay, so it is a layer one project. I mean, I know someone who used to work at their office. PR is dead. I know Jamie at their office in Greece. He left to work with Might. So okay, so it might be dead. I don't know, just they wrote some layer one shit there, so that's why I wanted to check it. It is an old project. That's why I don't like investing in old projects in general. So I just don't like investing in old projects. If you wanted to buy for Can Forge, this was the best time. 2021 at $3 was the best time, and selling around 27 to $44 was the best time to invest in projects like Vulcan on Forge. I don't really like investing in old projects. Like on Crypto Chick also said now, PYR is dead. That's the main reason I just don't waste my time making research about old projects. Sometimes you see the market cap very high, but it does not really mean anything. Like this thing will just keep on going down, going down, going down till it dies. That's just it. And you would see a project with just 3 million market cap. They are building better products than a project with 100 million on market cap. So that's why I just prefer to invest in new projects. So I I would just let these go, but I would still do very little research about this and just see what's up with Vulkan and Forge. So Byte is the next project I am bullish on. 26 million. Alex Becker is part of the team. Once the bull market becomes very, very big, and a lot of our grandpas and grandma, yes, our grandpas and grandmas start buying crypto, they would be watching on people like Alex Becker, and they would be buying what Alex Becker say at the top of the bull market. So and that's why I am investing in projects like Byte, Alex Becker, and Elliott Trades. We'll be talking about on Byte constantly. I think this can easily do it times 100 from here, and that would make it be around 3 billion fully diluted valuation, and somewhere around 800 to $1,000 before this bull market is over. So like in today's video, I just called Jay just to look at the Bitcoin chart for us. And Bitcoin is now around the strong on support level at 40,000. The total crypto market is around 1.8 trillion, and the low of 2022 was around 800 billion. So we are times two of the total market cap since the low 2 years ago. So I think this is a good time to start buying some altcoins. We might see more dump. I don't really care, to be honest, about dump. I am a long-term holder. I think buying coins now in the next 12 to 15 months, you would be happy buying Bitcoin at 40K, at 35K, at 30K. You would actually not mind. So for me, I don't care. I am holding most of my altcoin. To be honest, I have not really sold any altcoin in the past few days. The only coins I have been selling was meme coins, because some of the meme coins did 8 times 10, 8 times 20, 8 times 30, and some went to zero. Actually, a lot went to zero. So I've only been selling meme coins, and I was selling them to Solana. So basically, that's it. Just buy some coins like Interlay right now. And I think in the coming days, I would be trying to get more bullish on crypto to buy. I am doing more research. Guys, sometimes I just feel you guys on this video are the one pumping some coins I am talking about. Like the whole market is bearish, but Interlay is still very close to 6 cents, which is the high in the last few days. Guys, please don't buy this. Guys, please let this coin dump a little so I can buy more. And still I would do more research so I can find better projects building on the AI narrative, on the layer one narrative, on the Bitcoin ecosystem, on the gaming ecosystem. And also I would find more projects giving edge up. Well, and someone talked about Monad in the last video. I did some research about Monad. It is a layer one project, but right now Monad does not have a token yet, and also Monad is not yet on testnet stage. So there is no airdrop for Monad right now. They don't have a testnet. There is nothing you can do on the platform, and they are not yet on mainnet. Open Fabric. I saw Open Fabric during IDO sale, if I'm not mistaken, it's an AI project, but I did not invest. So I would look at Open Fabric soon. So Monad does not, they are not yet on mainnet, and they are also not, they don't have a testnet yet. So there is no way to participate in Monad airdrop except you buy from OTC or private sale or whatever. And let me see, fully diluted valuation, Monad funding round. What is the valuation now? Well, not too expensive, so I think it's still very low, just 19 million. Hmm. I think project like Monad would be good for private sale or OTC deal because the total they've raised is just 19 million, and I think fully diluted valuation right now should be lesser than 100 million. 100 million for a layer one, that's very good. It is compatible with Ethereum. I don't know if that is good because most projects that are compatible with Ethereum, or most layer one compatible with Ethereum, don't do very very well. But it is okay. So pipeline for AVM, so it's compatible with Ethereum. That is the only thing I don't really like. But market cap or the total they've raised right now is low, not too high. So I might try to just get some deal for Monad. It is a layer one, so should do well. And one more thing, they have very very good team, so that is very bullish. Like some of that team has worked for, I think, Robin Hood and some trading firm in the past. So that is good. Like in crypto, team is the most important thing. Like if you have a good team, the project will do well. Forget about building AI or all this rubbish. If your team is good, if you have a very good team that know how to push the project, then definitely the project would do very well. Josh said hello. Hi Josh, what's up, man? You're late today on the live video. I know you're always the first person on the live video. So Crypto Chick said, what's about Open Fabric? So let's see Open Fabric, Open Fabric. Open Fabric AI. I've not seen very good AI projects in the last. I've been searching for AI project recently. I have not seen good AI projects like Binance. So okay, Olas was a good AI projects. So I've not seen recently. I've not seen very good projects like by Tensor and Olas. So let's see. They did ICO. Yep, they did ICO. It is around times two from the ICO price around 4 months ago. But one thing you need to know about Open Firebreak is the market has been bullish since October. So since October till now, most coin has been doing around the times 10. Even big project like Celestia has done more than its times 7 since October. So this project launched during this mini bull market. So and it has not done very very well, just the times 2 since the IDO price. That is not very good because well, people that always participate in IDO actually buy projects very very low. So they did also on Change APT. Let's see. So only IDO. Let's see team. Okay, team. I have researched about this project before. Twitter. Let me see how many followers he has on Twitter. 4,000. Okay. Founder. Well, he's the founder of Open Firebreak. And what is Open Firebreak trying to do? Well, I think I researched about Open Firebreak before. I did not like on Open Firebreak, but um, well, they've been in the market for around October till now, so more than 4 months, around 4 months. So which is okay, but I don't like investing in project on Binance chain. You know that already. Open Fabric lets anyone to create, share, and Open Fabric is a decentralized AI platform where the collaboration between AI innovators, data providers, business, and infrastructure provider will facilitate the creation and use of new intelligent algorithms and services. Layer one for artificial intelligence. Well, they're not saying anything useful here. Let's see, where's the website? Twitter. Let anyone create, share, and monetize AI service. They can create AI on the platform. They can share, can create AI service. They can monetize the AI service. So it's like an AI marketplace, which is good. Okay, let's see. AI is an artificial intelligence. It's like an AI marketplace. They have many sheets AI, or let's say bots. Well, AI service. Then you need to check if all this AI service is working. I can't just looking at this. I can't just say something is bad. If all this AI service, Meme Fabric AI bots, Art Fabric AI bots, Telegram, Discord, Timo, info. Let's see. Getting started with. Uh, okay, what I would do is I would check if some of this AI is working, or I won't say AI, some of these bots is working, which is not bad. Their team is public, market cap, OFN. Yep. Market cap 7 million, fully diluted 73 million. Well, I don't know. I don't just like project on Binance chain, and I'm not too bullish on the team. I made research about the team before. I did not really like that team, but they are providing AI service. If AI starts doing very well, market cap of Open Firebreak is just 7 million. If AI starts doing well, this project could easily do it times 10. Well, and that is left to the team. If the team keep on pushing the project, keep on building, keep on adding different AI service. So I just don't like it because it is on Binance chain, and I did little research about the team, and I am not super bullish on the team. But decentralized AI marketplace projects, I think they should do well in this bull market. So this might do well. I just don't like the fact it is on Binance chain. They've not actually done a lot. Market cap for a project like this looks high a little, and fully diluted valuation is very high, 73. I don't think a project like this could get to 2 billion valuation in this bull market, but in crypto, anything is possible. Um, what else? Marketplace. Where is it trading? It is on Mex. Mex is a scam. It is on KuCoin. KuCoin is a very good exchange. So, well, it doesn't look totally bad. It is not very, very bad. That team is public, which is a very good thing. And the market cap, well, I think not too bad. So it is not bad totally. I just don't want to invest in project on Binance chain, but Open Fabric doesn't look too bad. And worst projects in crypto or very bad projects in crypto also even do very well. So this might do well. So guys, that's it. Which guys, if you have any projects you want me to check on this narrative, and I would love it if the project is not on Binance chain. But still, I don't mind AI narrative, layer one, BTC ecosystem, gaming coin, and any good project that does not have a token yet, and they might be dropping their token to the community. Why do you say MEX is a scam? Because I know a lot of people that their funds are stuck on MEX, on MEX Global, whatever they call the exchange. So if you have a very like if you have like above 100, well, okay, I don't like just saying, I always try to be positive, but a lot of people always say MEX is a scam. So, and I know a lot of people that their fund is stuck on MEX. So I won't use MEX. That's for me, so I don't use MEX. So let's see. So, guys, I think this is almost all I have for you today. I would just go to check some meme coins on Solana. If you don't like meme coins, guys, please don't invest on meme coins. I just like checking meme coins recently. So let's check. And Solana is the chain that has been doing very well recently, and memes on Solana has been doing very well. So let's just check on meme coins on Solana, guys. If you don't like meme coin, um, the live video is over. I'm just scrolling down to see our meme coin. So, guys, if you don't invest in meme coin, I just like looking at meme coin. So new trending coin on Solana network, Prince protocol. Market cap of Prince is very high, so I definitely won't buy Prince at that or at this current price. I think these just launched Bobo. What is Bobo? Bobo beer. What's the fuck? Telegram, Twitter. What are they doing? Bobo has big plan ahead in the midst of bearish market. Bobo is the beacon of hope. Stay tuned. I will navigate through the challenge and turn them into opportunity. Like it's very difficult for you. It is down now. Okay, I would check on Prince soon. Bobo the beer, sticking, drunk with nowhere to go. Bye, Bobo. I have got one last chance. They have good websites, and I notice most meme coins that have on good website for some reason does not do well. Guys, please, I am not buying meme coins. If you invest in meme coins, all your money will definitely go to zero. I am just looking at these. The meme doesn't look too interesting for me, so I won't buy Bobo. I'm just not seeing anything so interesting on Bobo, but still, I still like to check on Telegram group and see what the team has been doing in the last 24 hours before I invest in meme coins. So they launched 4 hours ago. Let's see. Chill out, Bobo just let's see, in the midst of, let's see. Bobo dodge Shiba. Grab some Bobo and odds. Lambo dreams forward dance on the horizon. Great news! We are thrilled to announce that Bobo is currently in process of being submitted to CoinGecko, where every order to the party become a billionaire. Ah ha ha. Bobo is joining up for a lift off insurgency, whatever. People that refuse to let the market turn bearish. Okay, so contract is not renounced. There is nothing about contracts being renounced here, and also liquidity is not locked. So definitely, I'm not buying Bobo. Well, at least for today, I'm not buying Bobo. So Newport, I have looked at Newport before. I just did not buy Newport. So let's see. Ciao, Bella, ciao. Market cap 25K. I love memes because sometimes, like, I bought a meme coin at hundreds and thousand market cap. What is the meme coin? That is, what's the name of this meme coin? Jeez, I'm getting old. Stanley. Yes, I bought Stanley at around 100,000 market cap, and it went to around 70,000. Then I sold. Sorry, I didn't sell the Stanley. I left the Stanley, and I felt Stanley went to zero. Then I started seeing on Stanley trending, and I could not remember what price I bought Stanley. Then I saw Stanley at 5 million market cap. That was like times 50 from where I bought. And I went, but I did not, I could not remember I bought at 100,000 market cap. So I just went to Radium, put my Stanley all. I was like, geez, wow, a lot. Like I was surprised times 50. I was like, wow, like free money. I thought that was zero. So I was happy with Stanley. Chow. What is Chow? Chow does not have a website now. I don't like buying projects that don't have website. So I'm definitely not buying Chow. Cheers, Chow. Cheers to those who believe Chow will mourn. Chow is now top 10 trending on this tool and top trending on this screener. I still fade and on Chow. CoinGecko. This look like a big scam. Well, like they put coin market and CoinGecko applied with no screenshots. Oh no. Liquidity is not locked live. Liquidity is not locked, so definitely don't buy meme coins like these. No website, liquidity is not locked, just Telegram. Bullshit. Well, like I won't buy now. Oh, there's a website here. Let's see. To that Twitter page. Um Digital gallery, ciao. There's no meme here, like they're not saying anything interesting. Which child, meet child, the irresistible, adorable, kind of companion of Solana network. Influencing child and general president. Chow is not. Bro, there's nothing interesting about this meme. I'm not saying it's not going to do well, and I don't like the fact that the team could not easily put the website on that Twitter page, and liquidity is not yet locked, and there is nothing interesting about the meme coin, so I will just let it go. Bobo, let it go. I'm not saying that's scam, but for now, it does not interest me. Um, which meme coin again? Chow. Punky. Punky's fully diluted valuation is very high. 34 million. So I want to buy Pumpkin. Gorilla looks dead. 20K. Let's see if it's a new project. Gorilla with art. So funny. Launched 5 hours ago. Twitter. Gorilla with an art. Twitter is new. Gorilla with an art. Crazy volume for our gorilla. And we are now out trending. we are now out trending. Okay. And this is not deleted. Gorilla with an art. They don't have any gift or anything. Just Gorilla with an art over Solana. The screener is now updated right now. Aiming for top 3 and top 6. Gorilla is now live on Solana. Okay, only small gorilla. I think the Tolly, which is co-founder of Solana, tweeted only smoke gorilla, so they just did some bullshit. Gorilla with an art, just gorilla with an art. I don't know if it's going to do well. Um, Token is not renounced, liquidity is not locked. They have a website, gorilla with an art. Gorilla isn't literally just a gorilla with an art. It's by Tolly. I connect to it. Well, it has by 100 million data supply. I don't know. It is now locked. So, well, looks market cap is 22 million. It was launched 5 hours ago. Looks dead. So, I don't know. Might do times 10. I'm just not buying this. I don't know why. Blue Dog with Myra nine dog. Let's see this. Launched 1 hour ago. 47 million market cap. What is Nine Dog? Nine Dog on Solana. No, Nine Dog is flying the rainbow requirement. Okay, no websites, nothing. Well, there's websites, but no reason to buy Nine Dog or whatever the name is. They have websites, but I don't care. Yo, Sumara, and I have checked. Mock Jump, 37 million. No, Grok 1.5. Launched 3 hours ago. Okay, guys, basically, I'm not seeing any interesting meme coin to buy right now, so I would rather not buy any meme coin. Josh said check print, so let me see if I could find print. Donuts 2.1 million. Milo, Milo is dead. Deaf with marketing, dead. Booyah, dead. Cards. Print. Use car. Off, back. A half eaten broccoli. When did they launch? 1 hour ago. Where's Twitter? I will check this later. No Twitter. Liquidity low clock. 16 million fully diluted valuation. Launch 1 hour ago. What's the name again? Okay, I'll check this later. No Twitter, so I will check later and see the screener. Josh said, check prints. I want to check prints before I end the live. Guys, I think basically the live is over. So I'm not talking about any new good altcoins now. I am just looking at meme coins. So if you have any altcoin you want me to talk about, you can write them on the comment section. I might look at them. So aside that, the live video is over, so there are no new coins to buy. There is nothing new to talk about. I am just researching meme coin. So I'm looking for print. Pinky. Oh, that one. Ava Micro. Pet Dog. Speed. Juska. Afambag. BFI. Chino. Tonk. A lot of people are shilling Tonk. Fluffy. Myrock. Gadon. Solana. Croc. T-Cats. Myray. Dubai Bunk. Fuck. Flying avocado cats. Let me see. Cog Inu. Is Cog Inu not on Avas, if I'm not mistaken? Flying Avocado Cart. Wow, launched 27 minutes ago. Flying Avocado Cart. Trending on search trend index already update, causing common fact around to find out. Exciting week ahead. Fact. Flying Avocado Cards fell launch soon on Solana. Liquidity is not yet locked. Market cap is 33 million. They've updated that Twitter and website, so it just look like the developer know what it's doing. The website looks like shit. I am a flying avocado, the latest token to take flight on the Solana blockchain. Our symbol is fuck. As the pioneer meme cat, Josh Mex is not allowing as the symbol is fuck as the pioneer meme cat token on Solana. I the pioneer meme cat. My mission is to soar beyond our expectation, setting new records and reaching unparalleled heights in the vast expanse of the crypto journey universe. Join me. Website look like shit, but not bad. I might just buy. Okay, I don't know. I won't talk about meme coin on this video. 33 million. I would check about these and these. So I will look at those two. The screener again. I'll look at those two meme. I might buy those two before I sleep, but very, very little. Solana. Geez, what's the time? I need to go out soon. Milo. I saw prints already, so I just want to check prints before I end the live video. Joshua, Mex not allowing a lot of people to withdraw their funds. It is all over Reddit. Yeah, it is a scam. Geez, it's 10. I wanted to buy something and the stock closed by 10. So, okay, lovely. So tomorrow then. Popcats, where's print? I saw print before. Yup, print. Market cap 6 million. Josh, I definitely not buying a project at a meme coin at 6 million. Wait, and the only meme coins I would buy at like 6 million valuation is when there's a new meme trending like Grok, or there's just something important happening in the real world, and there is a meme coin that has like the biggest meme coin using that name having a market cap above 5 million. That is the only meme coin I would buy. But some bullshit meme with 7.8 million market cap, I would definitely not buy these. 6 million too expensive. Could easily go to zero. It's not like could easily, it will someday go to zero. Okay, so I think everything is stuck. My Twitter is not loading. Everything's not loading. Okay, so I'm not buying prints because the market cap is very high. So guys, basically, this is all I have for you today. Thanks for coming to the live. Thank you, and I think I might see you guys tomorrow, or I would see you guys tomorrow. Still looking at gaming. Gaming 50% dump today. It is retracing a little. So like I said, this is a good time to buy. Like if you have not gotten gaming's 8 million valuation right now, I think this is a good time. But all I need to do is more research, then I would buy some gaming. So basically, this is all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys for coming to the live, and I would see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Oh, stream is not ending.